Today we're gonna make more levels and a menu. So yeah, it's gonna be a little different, but yeah, we're going to. I guess I'll show. It wouldn't be like cool or anything, but we're gonna go into Pixelorama, and we're going to create some button. I guess, but oh, you know what? No, yeah, we should create some buttons. So yeah, we're gonna reset. We're gonna make a new one. We're gonna width to be 40 and our height to be 20. Create that. Create it like 2 more times. So this will be our normal default, and we're gonna have this like gray. Yes, normal default, and then we're gonna have our hover, and then our click. This will basically be all of our stuff. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. And we should import all this into sprites, just like that. All right, that is not. All right, quick recap, by the way. In the last video, we made this cool little blood effect. I mean, it looks nice. Um, so yeah. So what was I doing? We're gonna make a new scene, make it a user interface. We're going to make a margin box, a margin container, VBox container as well. And then we're going to make a button. We're going to make a texture button. Not a normal button, a texture button. Make sure this margin container is full, by the way, full rect from up here. And expand not title. Textures. So basically, when we go into our sprites, so our press will be green, our normal will be that, and our hover will be this. Just like that. Now, I'm not sure if I just like, yeah, rect, okay. Size, like 20, we'll just set it to like that. Alright. So we'll set it to 400 by 200. No, we'll set it to 60. Like that. Whoa, what just happened? Okay, I'm not sure what just happened, but oh, that's what. Okay. Yeah, guys, we don't actually need any of this. We just need to delete these. There we go. Okay, with this texture button, make sure it's in the center. I'm going to move it up and make sure this works. So, main menu, just like that, and save it as a stage. Save in status. Alright, now run it, and now if I'm correct, this should all work. So if I hover over it and I press it, yes, like that. So I hover over it, I can press it, yes. Okay. Now we need like 2 more. So just Control D, Control D. There we go. Now we're going to make our play. So we need to add in a script to this. So script to the first one will be a pressed, and we're gonna form it to that texture button. Yes. Oh, play. So play, options, and exit. Alright. Now this one will be on texture. So if it's pressed, we'll say get tree dot change scene, and we're gonna change it to our stage world scene. Then after that, we're going to click on it and then get a label. Let's say we wanted to say play. And we can say our custom fonts, new dynamic font. And now if you followed what we got and you got the fonts, we can put this bad boy in here, and then 16. There you go. Now you want it to be 48. We're gonna make both of these center, and put the same size as that. Now I'm pretty sure we can do that 2 more times, and then just put them on these. Yes. Okay. Now this can literally just be right there, and this can just. Alright. Exit. Options. Okay. So play will change the scene to. Oh, my bad. We want to set this to our main scene. So to do that, we go to stages, right click on the stage main menu, and set as main scene up there. It's not at all what I wanted to do. And then click play. Okay. So we have this. If we click play, we can play. Perfect. Now, we can do this for everything else. Options will wait, but if we go to exit and we add a new script, we add exit, and then we just connect and press to exit. We delete that. Get let's see, get tree dot quit. That's it. Now you have that. This is pretty cool. So you have play, and if we press run again, say exit, it'll quit. Now we will be creating another technically menu, and it will be our death menu. So remember when we had just had it, reload the current scene. We're actually not going to do that this time. We're going to say pass. Now, what this will do is we're going to have, one more thing for this, actually, just to redo everything. We're actually going to come to this background, and we're going to copy this. Controls. Wait, stage menu, we're going to add in a sprite, add in this, and just do that, and then put the Z index button, and then visibility, put it in as that. Okay, and then we have this. Quite cool. So we can do it for anything, we can press anything, press play. Just like that. Okay. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Alright, so we want to technically copy this, we just go down to our stage and we say duplicate stage death and duplicate it, and then stage death. Go to stage death. There you go. So here's stage death, and we actually only want to have 2 of these. So move one up, move one down. Alright, now this one will be called menu, and we'll say menu, and with this one we'll say restart, then restart. Okay, we can also move this down. This is a bit higher. Alright, now you want to disconnect this, and then as well as that, you want to make a new thing, and then scripts. Okay, and then we just need to do the exact same thing for this. So disconnect, make a new one, scripts. Okay, now delete everything. Okay, and then you want to connect the button pressed to this, and then this one you want to connect the button pressed to itself as well. Alright, now on restart, you want to get tree dot change scene, and we're going to change this to stage world again, and just like that. And then menu, go to menu, do get tree again, get tree dot change scene, and we're going to change this to main menu, just like that. And without any further things, we have everything working. The only thing now is to create, we want to make it switch that. So see get tree dot change scene. We want it to go to stage death. Alright, everyone, we have it finished. No, well, not completely finished. We still have a couple things. By the way, actually, I forgot to do this. If you go to project settings, go to general, you can go down to window, and go to stretch and go 2D. There you go. Okay. Ooh, back. We can just open this up. Now, we can press, actually, no. We can press play. It's just that. Looks like I died. Restart. There you go. And you might be like, oh, what happens when we kill everything? Well, that will be a little bit for next episode. We are going to be making levels to play through. You know, like you have a couple things to do, and you can do this and that. Just basically making a bunch of stuff. Now, the second enemy will come soon. Just give me a sec, please. It again will come soon. But yeah, that's it for this episode. I'll see you guys later. Peace.